Hi there, this is Amit Singh from quickdigitalreviews.com and welcome to my buyers list bonanza review video. Now this is a information product that is launched by John Newman and Cynthia Benitez. Now this product is gonna go live on 27th November 9 a.m. Eastern, so mark your calendars for that. Now in a nutshell, buyers list bonanza is an information product which is gonna teach you how you can build your email list, potentially buyers list, and how you can capitalize from there on by promoting your affiliate offers using email marketing. So this is a very good course that is created by John Newman and Cynthia Benitez. So I'm here in the members area of buyers list, and I'll be giving a full run through of this course, and I'm also going to tell you what are the prices, upsells, everything that you need to know to buy this product. Now I have also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who would like to pick this up via my link, which is down below in the description of this YouTube video. Now if you click that link, it will take you straight away to my bonus page, which looks like this. Okay, so let's quickly cover the bonuses. I already told you that this product is gonna go live on 27th November 9 a.m. Eastern. That is when my buttons will be clickable. So I'll quickly cover the bonuses. So bonus number one that I'm gonna give you is Google Ads course. So this is a really good source of getting some amazing traffic, because in buyers list bonanza you will have to create an opt-in page and you will have to send a lot of traffic to that page. So with Google Ads you can learn how to do that, and with Google Ads you can send a good amount of traffic to that page, which in turn will give you a lot of leads. So this course will definitely help you a lot. Now the next bonus that I'm gonna give you is 2500 plus done for you email swipes. So these are the email swipes that you're gonna ever need in your entire life in your affiliate marketing journey, and you can pretty much copy and paste these swipes, which will save ton of time for you. Now the next bonus that I'm gonna give you is email marketing. So it is a 1-hour email marketing course which teaches you how you can promote any affiliate offer. So this course is something which you must get your hands on, because if you are an affiliate marketer, if you don't know how, if you haven't started email marketing yet, then this is the best time to grab this offer and get access to this bonus. Now the next bonus that I'm gonna give you is how to monetize a bonus delivery page. In this course I'm going to teach you how you can monetize a bonus delivery page, where you can squeeze some extra sales and commissions from the buyers, because if somebody has bought something from you, and if you're giving that away in your bonus delivery page, and if your bonus delivery page is not monetized, then it takes away the chance of getting some extra sales. So I'm going to teach you how you can monetize your bonus page to make use of the hot leads. Now the next is all vendor special bonuses. I'm also going to give you the bonuses that vendor has given me to give it to you, which are I'll show you. Bonus number one is list me how to build a quality email list fast and cheap and make some commissions in the process. Bonus number two is OLSP traffic domination group, shows you how to earn commissions daily. Bonus number three is 0-hour work days, create a lifestyle business that gives you money and time freedom. Bonus number four is how to start an email business that makes you $10,000 per month. Bonus number five is 7 deadly sins of email marketing. Okay, so you're getting all these 5 bonuses plus bonuses on my bonus page. If you want to buy this product, then all you need to do is come to my bonus page by clicking the link in the description of this YouTube video, and click any of these yellow buttons on my bonus page which says click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. Now if you click these buttons, it will take you straight away to the sales page of buyers list bonanza, where you can grab this offer by clicking any of these or yellow button which say get instant access. Okay, so again a reminder that I'm giving you 5 days to pick this up. After that my bonuses will expire, or when this timer hits 0, all my bonuses will expire, and this is something that I don't want you to miss out on, because I have spent a lot of time creating these custom bonuses for you. Now let's quickly cover the sales page of buyers list bonanza. Even total beginners are making great money with this. Copy and paste your way to multiple passive income streams. Having profitable buyers list that pays you over and over is now easier than ever. Okay, fine. So ultra fast results, no experience needed, all exclusive income method. The fastest way to make money online. You can just come to the sales page by clicking any of the buttons on my bonus page, and you can just explore this on your own. And if you really it is a really long sales page. I'm not obviously gonna go through the whole sales page, it will take a lot of time. So just come to the sales page and just explore the things on your own. And if you really like this, then you can buy this product by clicking any of the yellow buttons on this sales page. I'll just quickly cover one more thing which you should need to know before buying this product. Actually, you are getting 30-day to test this product out, and if this product works, then you can keep it, or else you can return this and your money will be refunded. So that is all you need to know about buyers list bonanza. And let me quickly jump into the members area of buyers list bonanza. Okay, so on the left hand side you will see few modules that will guide you throughout this training course. So module 1 is all about welcome and orientation, which John will tell you how to use this training. Module 2 is main training overview of the method. As I've already told you that first of all, it is all about list building and building a really strong buyers list. Okay, so overview of the method now. Buyers list bonanza is all about creating an opt-in page with good copywriting and collecting name and email address here. And once people opt in, they will go to a thank you page where you are promoting your affiliate offer. So there are two chances when they go to thank you page: either they purchase or they do not purchase. If they purchase, then you get commissions. If they do not purchase, then you have their name and email address, and you can use your email marketing strategies to follow them up with the same offer. Or else, if they do not buy the product with some follow-ups, then also you can target them with some other offers as well. Now once you have them in your list, you can promote other offers as well. It is a pretty traditional method of list building and making money online, but this system is really powerful, and because of some of its features which I'll tell you in this video. Now the second video is all about landing page setup. So you can try ClickFunnels here, and you can try GrooveFunnels here. So it's all about creating an opt-in page, and the second video is all about creating a thank you page where you are actually promoting your affiliate offer and picking your offer. John is going to teach you how to pick up a best high converting offer. The next product is all about setting up the rotator. Now this is where it gets interesting. Now ClickMagick is basically a rotator where you can, inside a campaign, you can add 4 to 5 URLs, and each time somebody visits, it will rotate. And suppose it has 5 links, so the first 5 people will go to the first 5 links, and the 6th person will again go to the first link. In that way you can track which offer is converting best for you. So this is where this course really gets interesting. Now the next is email follow-ups. Is going to teach you a little bit about email marketing, which is really important, because if they haven't purchased that in thank you page, then now you have the chance of following them up with a follow-up sequence. Now the next is sending traffic. For traffic, what he is doing is that you have two sources. First is solo ads. Now basically he is encouraging you to use solo ads as a traffic source, so you can go for that. Or else he has one more traffic source, which is a Facebook group that you can join. Segmentation of buyers. He's teaching you how you can build your buyers list. The next is keeping your list clean, which is really important. So you wanna make sure that people who are not opening your emails or not buying, so you want to remove them from your list as well. So it's going to teach you how you can do that. Join the list and traffic group. So this is a really amazing group, Facebook group, that you can join to get some extra sales and commissions. You can join by clicking this button. And module 3 is case study. You can watch these 2 videos that he has posted related to OLSP group, Facebook group. And the first case study is all about the solo ads. So you can watch these 2 videos. And the next is conclusion, and the next module is you can claim your bonuses from here. It has few unannounced bonuses as well, and you can use the resources here. And if you haven't picked up the upgrades, you can pick it up from here. Now, so this is what this course is all about. As I told you that there isn't anything about this course which is, something new. It is not new. It has, this system has this system has been there for a while now, but he has put his own twist and spin around this course, which what makes this course interesting. So I would highly recommend you to go for Buyers List Bonanza. Now let's quickly go through the prices and upsells. So if you come to my bonus page, okay, so the front end price of Buyers List Bonanza is $12.95. In Buyers List Bonanza, you will learn how to build a powerful buyers list fast, which will pay over and over again. Now OTO 1 is Buyers List Bonanza Pro, which is for $47, and downsell is $37. Advanced training, where I show your client everything that worked for me since I started online in 2014. Cool. OTO 2 is Buyers List Bonanza Done For You 365, that is $67, and downsell is $47. You will get Done For You bonus pages every week for 365 days, plus all one-time funnel plus email swipes will require Commission Gorilla pages plus ClickFunnels for the funnel. Now this bonus is really interesting because he will be sending his funnel to you, but for that you need to have ClickFunnels and Commission Gorilla. Now OTO 3 is Steal Our Traffic. Put your pixel on the sales page of mine. Okay, you will be allowed to put your Google Pixel code to his sales page to get some laser targeted traffic to your offers, but that is only valid if you're using Google Ads. So I am giving you a bonus regarding Google Ads, which you should get your hands on, which will definitely, if you're picking this upgrade and if you get my bonus as well, then it will be a real good booster for you. Now upgrade 4 is Buyers List Bonanza Triple Reseller Rights, which is $67, and downsell is $47. Sell Buyers List Bonanza as your own product and keep 100% commission. So you can basically sell this product and you can keep 100% commissions throughout the funnel, which is pretty good. Now OTO 5 is Buyers List Bonanza Coaching, which is $197, and downsell is $147. So you will be allowed to have a 1 hour Zoom or Skype session with John, and you can discuss your business with him, and you can basically plan out your strategies and how you can go about doing things. So you can just tell him and he will plan those things out for you. So it would be really nice to have a mentor in the beginning, because that is what a lot of affiliates struggle, to have a mentor, and that is how they fail, and they think that's not working and they leave this whole system, but that is not true. So for $197 you're getting a coaching session, which is pretty good. Now I have also laid down few benefits for you which you can go through. Now, so I think we are done, and if you really would like to purchase this product, then all you need to do is click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video and come to my bonus page and click any of these yellow buttons on my bonus page which says click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. Now if you click that link, it will take you straight away to the sales page of Buyers List Bonanza. From here you can pick this product. Okay, so I think we are done with Buyers List Bonanza review video. So thank you for watching my Buyers List Bonanza review video. I'll see you soon. Bye, take care.